Hi everyone. Here's a quick TikTok loan guide. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Go to your profile, bottom right. Step 2. Tap the menu icon on the upper right, the one with 3 lines. Step 3. Tap Orders, then choose Buy Now, Pay Later. Step 4. Check your access. If you see Activate or Apply Credit, tap it. Step 5. Submit a valid ID, UMID, license, or passport. Step 6. Take a clear selfie for facial verification. Step 7. Wait for approval. Usually takes just minutes or hours. Step 8. Go back to the Pay Later section. Step 9. Tap Cash Loan if that option is available. Step 10. Choose the loan amount and repayment term you prefer. Step 11. Link your GCash or bank account. Step 12. Confirm and submit your loan application. Step 13. If approved, the money will be sent to your account. White heavy checkmark requirements. An active TikTok account with shop usage. A valid government-issued ID. A linked GCash or bank account. Warning sign hash reminders. And not all accounts have access. A using TikTok Shop often helps. A pay on time to avoid penalties. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. This is Gel. Subscribe here and feel free to check out my other channels too. Got a tutorial you want me to cover next? Drop it in the comments. See you on the next one.